This video is about analyzing and evaluating integrals. First step, check whether it is U substitution or reverse chain rule. Basically, U substitution and reverse chain rule are the same thing. 1 through 5 is the standard integrals. You can find all of these in formula booklet. When x is changed into u of x, we call this the reverse chain rule or U substitution. The key point is to find out u prime in this integral. Or you can create this u prime in this integral. When u equals linear function px plus q, this is a special cases. You can get answer directly. For f, the answer is px plus q to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 times 1 over p plus c. For g, the answer is e to the power of px plus q times 1 over p plus c. For h, we will get sine px plus q times 1 over p plus c. For I, we will get negative cosine px plus q times 1 over p plus c. For j, we will get natural log of absolute value px plus q times 1 over p plus c. So do not forget this 1 over p. Second step, if you already figure out it's not reverse chain rule, then you need to check the formula booklet for special cases, like these two. Third step, check whether you can use reused substitution for rational functions, especially when the degree of numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of the denominator. For question 1, we have 3 integrals to evaluate. First step, you need to check U substitution or reverse chain rule. Let's check U prime. Derivative of 9 minus x squared over 2 equals negative 2x over 2 equals negative x. For the numerator, we can create negative x in 1b. So this is the U substitution or reverse chain rule. For 1a, let's check the formula. We can use this formula for 1a. For c, check the degree. This x squared, here it's x to the third power. It could be reused U substitution. Let's work out these 3 separately. Let's use this formula for 1a. First step, you need to change this into a squared minus x squared form, which is square root 3 squared minus x over square root of 2 squared dx. So we got a equals 3. Consider this x into linear function form. X over square root of 2 equals 1 over square root of 2 times x. P equals 1 over square root of 2. So when we work out reverse chain rule, 1 over p equals the square root of 2 equals, this 7 take out, 7 times arc sine x, here is x over square root of 2, x over square root of 2. A is 3 times 1 over p is square root of 2 plus c. Simplify 7 square root of 2 arc sine x over 3 square root of 2 plus c. For 1 over 3 square root of 2, let's simplify. Square root of 2 over 2 times 1 over 3 equals square root of 2 over 6. Final answer, 7 square root of 2 arc sine square root of 2 over 6x plus c. Let's go to 1b. We will use the reverse chain rule for this integral. 9 minus x squared over 2 prime equals negative x equals, we need to create negative x. Integral negative x over square root 9 minus x squared over 2 times 3 bring down, then times negative 1 dx equals integral 9 minus x squared over 2. Change this into exponential form, negative 1 over 2 times 9 minus x squared over 2 prime, which is this negative x, times negative 3 dx. We will use this formula. Let's work out this when n equals negative 1/2. U to the power of negative 1/2 plus 1 over negative 1/2 plus 1. Simplify u to the power of 1/2 over 1/2, which is 2 square root of u. This u equals 9 minus x squared over 2. So we get 2 square root 9 minus x squared over 2 times negative 3 plus c, which is negative 6 square root 9 minus x squared over 2 plus c. Let's go to 1c. We will make u equals 9 minus x squared over 2. So du dx equals negative x. Then dx equals, switch these two, du over negative x equals 5x to the third power square root of u times du over negative x equals, reduce negative 5x squared over square root of u du. From this equation, we need to figure out x squared. Both sides times 2, 2u equals 18 minus x squared. X squared equals 18 minus 2u. Substitution equals integral of negative 5 times 18 minus 2u over square root of u du. Distributive property, integral of negative 90 plus 10u over square root of u du. When denominator is a monomial, you just need to separate. So we get integral negative 90 over square root of u plus 10u over square root of u du. Next step, change this into exponential form equals negative 90 times u to the negative 1/2 power plus, we do know u over square root of u equals square root of u plus 10 u to the 1/2 power du. We got to use the power rule. For u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, when n equals negative 1/2, we got 2 square root of u. When n equals 1/2, we got u to the 1 plus 1/2 power over 1/2 plus 1, which is the u square root of u over 3 over 2, which is a 2 over 3 u square root of u. Now we plug in equals negative 90 times 2 square root of u plus 10 times 2 over 3 u square root of u plus c. Combine like terms, negative 180 plus 20 over 3u square root of u plus c. Since u equals 9 minus x squared over 2, then substitute back negative 180 plus 20 over 3 times 9 minus x squared over 2 square root 9 minus x squared over 2 plus c. Simplify again. 20 over 3 times 9 is 60 minus 10 over 3x squared. Combine like terms. Negative 120 minus 10 over 3x squared square root 9 minus x squared over 2 plus c.